Hey yo, what's poppin' guys? It's your man Ricky David. I'm back at it again, you guys. So today we're initially going back to the Cricut machine. So this is the Air Explorer 2. So right now I'm getting ready to create stickers, holographic stickers for the House of Dreamers, you guys. So first and foremost, what we want to do is upload your design, right? Once after that, transparent, turn into a PNG, and we're gonna put it right on this mat right here. Then we're gonna put an offset, which is in a border around it, and we're gonna print it out and see how it turns out with the holographic. So that's what we're gonna do today, and let me show you guys today. So let's get it. So right now, as you can see right here, we are getting ready to, we upload the image, the design we wanted, right? So what we're gonna initially do is, I'm gonna turn it into a 5 to make it the width 5 inches. So we're gonna put an offset. Offset is literally here. So we're gonna go from 125, and then what we're gonna do is put a white border on there, right? And then we're gonna go on this side. Well, we're gonna highlight it first. Highlight it, and then we're gonna group it. So when we group it, let me show you guys. So this is what I mean by group. Alright, so let me ungroup it real quick. So you guys see that right there, that offset. So right here, we're gonna take this here, we're gonna go up here, offset, and then you see that borderline right there. So we're gonna stick to 125. Alright, then we're gonna come up here and then go to white. Boom. So highlight this, go here, we're going to group it, and then we're going to control paste, copy paste, and then boom, we got a few more here. So we're going to put it right here, and another one. Another one right about here, and we're gonna go to make it, and boom. I don't know why it's 1, but let's see. The graphic paper. Here's the feeder. It's feeding out, printing out. This is the holographic sticker feeder. Here. Let's see what this beautiful thing does. Look at that. Alright, so got it again, did it again with the holographic to it. Ooh. So you got the QR code. You gotta wait till it kind of dries up. and then we're gonna throw it on the Cricut to get it cut out. Yo, so we initially just tested out a few of them just to see what direction of size we're wanting to go with, right? So this is what we got. We have a 2-inch, which is a little bit smaller, and the QR code right here was harder to, you know, to kind of capture. For stuff like this that's smaller with the QR code, you really have to zoom in just so you can get your scan. So we got a 2-inch here, and then we also got a 3.5 and a 4.5. So the 3.5 is what I'm originally gonna go with. So we're gonna go with this. It didn't really have a hassle to get the QR coding scan, just as well as the 4.5s. They're a little bigger, but you know, it's either going to be, you know, a 4.5, or a 3.5, a 4, or a 4.5, right? So you have these multiple ways of doing them. Either you're going to have a medium size, a large size. So we're initially going with the 3.5, which is this one right here. That's just the average size of what we're initially trying to come up with. So you get the QR coding scan instantly, you know. So that's what we're initially going to go with. So I'm gonna print out a few more, and then we're going to put it on the Cricut on the mat and just, you know, get them cut. So let's get it. So before we go to the Cricut machine and get it cut out, this is what I want you guys to see as far as the print setups. So check this out. So the very first thing you guys want to do is go to print, which is right here, and this will pop up. So you say send to printer. This will capture your print setups. You got your 8.5 by 11s. So mine is the shirt color F500 series. So it is the F570, but this is the settings for it. So we initially just want to turn off the bleed and use system dialog and print. Once we print, this preparing here. So you'll take this, so I'm gonna drag it right here. So you'll see the settings right here, and then I go to preference. So the preference would be the letter settings. So we'll go here and US ANSI right here. So we go okay, and see it's 8.5 by 14. So we're not doing a roll paper, we're doing an auto sheet feeder. And then we put print with high quality. Before you go press OK, go to advanced, layout. So right here, you don't want to mirror it. So you click off the check mark off the box, so it's blank. And then if you want to do advanced cuttings, you know, and that's on you guys as well. So we're gonna press OK. So it's gonna pop up. Press print. And on mine's it's gonna be a lot differently. So it's F570 shirt color. So all the printers, the setup is here. So what I'm gonna do is press print. And once we got it all here, and boom. So I'll see you at the printer. So here is the holographic paper, as you guys can see, and it is printing, and we are gonna see how beautiful this thing is. So let's get it. So you can initially see these cut marks here, right? So when it gets to this point, it's actually pressed into like a kiss of how these can actually be printable and taken off. So check this out. So you can take these off and then boom. So there you have it. There you have it, you guys. These holographic ones right here. I know it's tore up right here. It's tore up right there, but this is the back of it. It kind of took off a lot of it. So I have to probably get it stronger and actually really go into depth of it getting what it needs, and then print them all off, have a stronger, I think it's like a more dent you have to go down into. So therefore, here it is. This is the KISS cutouts. Just as well as this one. See, like, yeah, they come off, but as you can see, they come off. But I had to figure out, I don't know why it's doing that. So I had to probably, it's got to reblade and actually really trace around and then get the cutouts. So, like I said, here's already KISS cutouts, and there you have it. So all it is same process. It just, I gotta put get it into more depth, of a stronger depth of the blade actually really going through. I don't know why it's not going through, but in between, that's how you initially do it. So if you guys want to do stickers off the Cricut, the Air 2 machine, it will be down below, where you can, get on Amazon or stuff like that. I'll probably just link it in the description right below. But as far as that's the creativeness. So you can actually take that, stickers, stuff like that, put it towards your business. So when you do promote or you market, just throw it in the bag, or just stack them up and just start pushing them out there. This one does have the QR code on there, so you can scan it. So across the border, all the products that you're pushing out, or however you're doing it, you're doing music, business, whatever the case is, you can go across the whole board with that QR code. Just make sure you get into depth with the QR coding, because that's the new game as of right now. So if you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, share this video. House of Dreamers, guys. Your man Ricky David, and we out. God bless you all. Entrepreneurs, small business owners, pro athletes, whatever the case is, keep your vision alive. God bless. Let's get it.